Hi everyone, my name is Divya Teja. I'm here to submit my final sprint 3. So as you can see on the first slide, this is submitted to tutor Bilal Chaudhary and submitted by 4 of us, Rahman, myself, Basit and Kapil. Moving on to the next slide, this is the table of content which you can see all the different topics like overview, the project problems we have discussed here. So basic outline of this. So my part contribution is actually the sprint date started on 2nd of June and ended on 12th of June. I have given my best of knowledge to the literature review, qualitative analysis surveys and stuff. My individual contribution is taking suggestions from the Woolworths manager and staff people because I work with Woolworths. This project is related to the retail sector, so I've done my job from there, and like fishbone diagram and finding secondary problems and case studies from case studies. So this is the overview of the project. As you can see on the right hand side, this is called the electronic price tags, which helps the future with all the retail industries, like replacing the traditional tag with e-tag. So we provided the analysis part, which conclude all the problems facing by these retail industries with the normal tags like by paper tags. So these are the project problems we have taken, and we have find it out, like difficulty in changing prices, maintaining the accuracy in the price, labor cost, errors in pricing, consumer complaints and checkout delays as well. So on the right hand side again you can see the normal paper tags, which shows the price, the percentage, everything. Moving on, this is the fishbone diagram, which we have shown the main core problem is price challenges and efficient price tags. These are the primary ones, like incapable pricing software, insufficient data, poor customer base and computer prices. The secondary problems are like poorly unstrained, outdated technology, mismanagement, poor customers engagement, high prices, stuff. So moving on to the next. So these are the project objectives. We just want to save the labor costs for the retail sectors and maintaining the accuracy by using the C-tags. QR code is like QR code. You can see a small QR code here where my cursor is. So this QR code basically gives more knowledge of the product, and if you scan that, there are many more apps in the market that gives that redirects you to the main slot where you can find more information about the product. And digital labels can help you in real time, changing the price and stuff, and it gives a lot of customer satisfaction as well, and there's a lot of chance to build revenue and growth of an industry. So this is the project objective. So coming to this project budget, hypothetically we have only a few sources about the best of knowledge. What I have seen from a source is like 10 to 20 price tags may 20 to 30 price tags may lead to $1,000. So there's the project is yet to be implemented in Australia, so hence we can see all the measurements that will be coming in future. So moving on to the next slide, these are the surveys which we got responses from the customer survey. So as you can see, would you like to find the product on shelves quicker and easier? You can see almost 40 responses from there, with strongly agreeing point and agreeing point. And moving on to another survey from the supermarkets, where you can see this, like, you want your supermarket to be placed with electronic price shelves. Yeah. So you got 11 responses from there, and there is a strong point of implementing this technology into their things. Electronic pricing will reduce burden on employees. It also shows a strong the supermarkets agreed to that point as well. So these are some responses which we did from SurveyMonkey. These are the references which we quoted from different sources. So this is the link for promo, which will be placed after this video. And thank you. See you all.